Everything's cool, right? Pretty groovy day in the yard. Looks nice, well mowed. Uh, quite lucky, considering vehicle 1 and vehicle 2 right next to it.